How to set app limits on iPhone. So what you can do is to go here directly to your settings application and scroll just a little bit up until you see the screen time there. It's actually under focus. Tap on screen time here, and on the second section you will see these options. You will see downtime, app limits, communication limits, always allowed, and content and privacy restrictions. So tap on app limits here, and as you can see, I haven't set any applications on limit. So what you can do is to tap on add limit here, and let's say you want to limit your entertainment here, and here you'll see the list of the applications that is set to limit. So tap on here and tap on next. Now here you have to choose the time for your limit. So let's say this example, you only limit yourself on using the entertainment application for around 5 hours a day. Or here you will see customize. Here you will see customized days. For example, on weekdays you only want to use 5 hours. Then here on Sunday you can actually add it on up until 10 hours. Same with Saturday here. And tap on here and tap on add on the upper right. Now here you have set app limits on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.